as old as rhyme, Beauty and the Beast.
They're two, they're four, they're six, they're eight, shunting trucks and hauling freight, red and green and brown and blue. They're the really useful crew, all with different roles to play. Round Christmas sheds so far away, down the hills and round the bends, Thomas and his friends.
Psst. Hey, Thomas. Hey, Thomas. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. What is it? Today is Pirate Day. Really? Ugh. I guess I could do it. Well, let's start the amazing Pirate Day.
I'm with you.
That's today? What a coincidence. Where I'm from, it's annoying your neighbors next door day. I can hear your racket from all the way across the station.
Oh, Diesel, could we just have one day to celebrate? We're just having a little fun. Why not put on a pirate hook or a pirate hat, Diesel? Arrgh!
Ridiculous. You would never catch me dressing up as a pirate. Still, I've heard there might be snacks there.
Want a cookie?
I made some for all of us.
Oh my, cake?
Yeah, and mine's such an amazing baker.
When will the party start? Or better yet, what time?
I'm not sure, Diesel. Right now!
Yay!
Everyone, Sir Tom has a message. We will have a treasure hunt. Really? Wow!
Whoa!
Cool! I bet Thomas and James will have the treasure to place inside the Sodor Museum. It's going to be a great time.
Yes, it would, Gordon. But unfortunately, I am going to get that treasure for myself and display it in the other station museum.
What? The other station doesn't have a museum.
Oh, did I say museum? I meant my crate.
Without the map, though, you'll probably never be able to find the treasure, Diesel.
You're right. But with this picture of the map, I will. Sorry, but you know what they say. Finders keepers, losers weepers. This is turning out to be a happy Pirate Day after all.
Okay, we have the map.
Are we going to have a ship?
You know we are.
Fine!
Oh, Spencer, I'll never get to do the treasure hunts.
Come on, Diesel. This is always what you've dreamed of doing. Finding the treasure before Thomas and the others did. You can do it. I believe in you.
Okay, we will. I can do this. I know I can. You hear that, Thomas? We are going to find the treasure before you do.
I'm not sure about that. Let's hop aboard! Ship ho! Of all the days and all the times we hear the booming drum, there's only one that's really fun. Treasure on here we come, yo ho! Ask anyone called Davy Jones or Sparrow Big Chum. Their favorite day and they will say, treasure on here we come, yo ho! Treasure on here we come, treasure on here we come. The greatest day in all the time. Treasure on here we come, yo ho! Don't be afraid of anything, just take some bubble gum. We have to find the giant chest. Treasure on here we come, yo ho! We'll be brave of anything, so move away the chum. Our favorite time we love to do. Treasure on here we come, yo ho! Treasure on here we come. Treasure on here we come. The greatest day in all the time. Treasure on here we come, yo ho!
Okay, let's see what the map says.
Got it. Turning left now.
I think we should be able to find the treasure before that sneaky Diesel does.
Oh boy, I'm scared. Thunder is rolling in.
It's not just thunder, it's a big... Storm!
What is going on?
This wasn't on the weather.
I'm scared.
I know, but don't worry. We'll make it out of here alive. I just know it.
And I wonder when will it end?
With Harold the helicopter and my storm creator, I'm all set to get the treasure.
Hey, who the heck taught you how to make a storm like that?
Ha ha! It is I,
Who are you?
Captain Brownbeard, at your service. I am the pirate who can help Diesel get the treasure.
I want this storm to end now.
No! My storm creator ran out of battery!
Arr! Let's try and make something else. I'll be back.
Now we can go get the treasure.
How long are we going to get there, BFB? We've been going these circles.
I'm trying to find where we're at, Captain. That map looks all dusty.
When will I defeat that Mario?
Well, I wonder if you can.
I get so close and then it's Mario that stops it. When will I defeat him? He will just have to give up trying to stop me. Well, hurry up, you scalawags. We haven't got all day.
Aye, Captain.
It looks like we're here.
Help!
What happened? Percy's trapped in a cave.
Oh no!
Let's get to work and help Percy out. He really needs it.
I am terrified. There are bats, flies, and who knows what else.
Percy, are you okay?
Does it sound like I'm okay?
Remember, X marks the spot.
You
Don't worry, Percy. We'll save you. Yeah,
will?
we will.
You will never.
Why?
Because try to move.
Because I trapped you in icky, gooey mud.
All part of my plans.
Aw, no.
Oh, yes!
You won't get away with this.
Well, I can.
Diesel has the treasure.
Yes, indeed.
Now we know.
It's not really treasure. He will be shocked. I know.
When will I defeat that Mario?
Will you stop with the Mario thing? It's giving on me nerves.
It's on my bucket list.
Oh yeah, right. Your bucket list. Since when did you have a bucket list?
I will never know. Well, my bucket list is to find treasure, hoist the version, and full speed ahead.
Why will I be shocked?
Because the treasure is...
Mine!
What Percy is saying is...
Don't listen. Just open the treasure. Now!
I'll open it in front of you, so you can cry. Ah, 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 ah.
Will you shut up and let me finish? Because the treasure is a prop.
You shut up. The treasure is... underwear?
What?
Now, let's find the real treasure.
You're on it. I can't believe we found the right treasure, guys. Sir Thomas is going to be so proud of us.
There it is. The treasure.
Well, we found it first.
But we own it.
Okay, let's put it somewhere everyone can see it.
Hey, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah.
The Soda
Museum!
Well done. You found it. And Diesel,
Yes,
you have to work for a week.
fine.
I'm going to say, dude, that was the best treasure hunt ever.
I couldn't agree more.
And the fake treasure was underwear.
I know.
Well, let's have a perfect rest. I agree.